Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Begin by confirming eligibility. You need a social security number and a government ID to apply. Gather proof of income, pay stubs, W-2 or Form 1099 if you are self-employed, plus recent bank statements showing available funds. Check your credit. A credit score of 670 or higher is usually recommended, and review any outstanding debts to improve your debt-to-income ratio. Have a valid U.S. address and phone number ready, and ensure your email accessible for verification codes and follow-up messages. Create or log into your Gemini account using email and two-factor authentication to secure the session. Navigate to the credit card section and select the Gemini XRP credit card, then start the online application. Complete fields for personal details, social security number, date of birth, income, and employment information. Double-check entries for accuracy. Link a funding source such as a checking account, ECH, or debit card to verify identity and enable charges and payments. Submit the application, agree to terms, and authorize a soft credit check or verification. If approved, you will receive a decision email and a timeline for delivery. Activate the physical or virtual card, and set a PIN in the Gemini app. Enroll in rewards features to earn XRP back on eligible purchases, review the reward rate, and confirm any limits or caps listed in the offer. Track monthly statements, set autopay for at least the minimum payment, and make on-time payments to avoid fees. Monitor credit utilization and update linked funding sources to manage balances and protect your credit score.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.